So you've stepped on your sunglasses and broke them in the worst possible way. Let's fix them. To prepare the glasses, I clean them thoroughly with an alcohol wipe. This helps to ensure the best possible adhesion for the 2-part epoxy I'll be using for the repair. To avoid drilling a hole for the screw later, I'm improvising with a drill bit whose diameter is slightly larger than the screw. If you don't have one, a nail or paper clip could work just as well. "24 hours later, I remove it carefully with a drill. Here I'm shaping the epoxy to fit properly. If you don't have a steel file, a nail file works just as well. The screw was bent, but I didn't have a replacement. I straightened it back carefully, but swapped it with the screw on the other side to avoid putting any unnecessary pressure on the repaired hinge. And it works like new.